guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a new face product by L'Oreal, and this is the Bonjour Nudista Awakening Skin Tint. This is in the color light and it is a BB cream. Wake up and makeup. Nude skin tint awakens your skin with a radiant finish, infused with apricot oil, green tea extract and antioxidant vitamin E. Feels weightless and hydrates skin. This is a 92% natural ingredients vitamin cocktail. I wanted to test this product because in the summer I always like to use less products on my skin. The shade range for this product is unexistent. Seriously. So in my local drugstore I could only find 3 shades, 1, 3 and 4, and on the website you can see that there are 5 shades. 5 shades! I'm like, what? What is that? I don't usually use BB creams, CC creams. For me it is makeup or no makeup, and also when I apply makeup I prefer something with medium coverage. Most of the times I don't like full coverage, it is very thick for my skin type. I have very dry and sensitive skin. I will also do some check-ins and a wear test at the end of the video. Without further ado, let's get started with the review. So I will try to apply this on half of my face with a sponge, and on the other half maybe with my fingers or a brush, because I'm not very sure how this will apply. And also from the swatches that I have done in the drugstore, I saw that this is a very sheer product, so I don't know if with a sponge I will be able to blend it very well. I will use a Miracle Sculpting Sponge by Real Techniques. This is my favorite sponge. I even prefer it from my beauty blender. For some reason I cannot find it anymore in the drugstore and I ordered it online. But first, let's wear our new headband. Pop, 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 pop. I asked you in a previous video which headband you like the most for me, and you tell me this one. I think it's so cute, guys. I love the colors. On my skin right now I have the Clinique Smart SPF 15, and on my eyes, All About Eyes Rich Eye Cream by Clinique. For primer I will use a Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base by Catrice Cosmetics. So I will massage it into my fingers and I will press it first on the areas that my pores are getting bigger and bigger. I don't know what to do. I think I will start some therapy or some masks. I don't know, guys. What do you recommend? My pores are getting bigger here and it is so strange because I have dry skin. What's happening? I'm going to make my sponge bigger with water and I'm coming back. I'm back! It's so fluffy! I will try to apply this with the sponge on half of my face, and on the other half I may use my fingers or a brush. I don't know, it depends on the consistency of the product. So this is a squeezable tube and I like that because it is so travel friendly and weightless and so easy to have it in your bag, and you don't worry if the glass bottle breaks. So about the texture, it is very smooth, very creamy. I will just apply whatever I have on my finger. About the scent, it is like a soap, very mild. I will take some with my sponge and let's see how this applies. Okay, that applies, I think, better and easier than I expected. For some reason here it's not very easy to blend it. For some reason on this area here I feel that it is stingy, a little bit painful. I have also tested the product on this area here in the drugstore so I could find my color, but I didn't have this sensation. It is like a burning sensation. Okay, now I don't feel it on this area and I feel it on this area. That's so weird. On this area here, I have tried to blend it a little bit with my finger, and as you can see, it is removed and all over my hair. Now I don't feel anything on my skin. It is like nothing happened. It is a little bit sticky. If you don't mind it, you don't have to set your foundation. I will set it because I want to apply powder products. Oh, I need to show you something. On my hand, I have no primer, and as you can see, it is difficult to blend the product, and and it becomes crumbly and it is removed from my skin. This is so weird, guys. With only one layer, some of my redness is covered. I will also use a second layer to see if the product is buildable. For the other half of my face, I will use my fingers and hope for the best. I will massage it and I will try to blend it on my skin. Okay, I don't think this will work. Oh no, I have some on my skin. Okay, this is not very easy to apply with fingers. That's so weird. I tried to blend the product with my fingers and it is completely removed from my nose. It is even more difficult to blend the product with my fingers. I will just use a little bit my sponge and that doesn't help. What's going on with this product? So I have the burning sensation again all over my skin. As you can see, the product is not very blended, it's crumbly. I will try to apply a second layer with the sponge again all over my face just to see if I can fix anything. I will use it straight from my hand. I will not use any fingers now. Okay, this is not blending. What's going on with this product? It sets so quickly and after you try to blend it, it is removed by your sponge. With the second layer, again, I have that very light burning sensation all over this area here. I believe after it is set, it will go away and I will not feel anything, but this product is not buildable. It sets very quickly and it looks like a hot mess. I have patches of product everywhere. It looks like it is not blended into my skin. This is not lightweight on my skin. It is not buildable, not blendable. Also, this is becoming itchy on some areas, and when you try just to touch your skin, the skin tint is removed. That's amazing. It is like a peel-off mask. I have removed everything of my face. I have applied again skincare, foundation, primer. Everything that you see is a whole new makeup look. And about the Bonjour Nudista, this is not working for me as you have already seen. And this doesn't work for my dry and sensitive skin. I don't know if this will work for someone with oily skin or normal skin. I don't know. This is a miss for me. I will not use it again. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to do a more dewy, glowy skin makeup look with a different product. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have already tested this product, if it works for you, and also what skin type you have. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!